So I'm going to animate it. So like I duplicated the screen, so in this screen I have to move this like middle picture to the left, and this right one which I want to show when I click the close like close changing icon, so it should be come in the center. So always be sure like it would be animate like this, you can see. And now I'm going to this button, close button, and then and here name. So its name is I think Srivalli 2. So now I'm going to, and here music composer is same, and timing almost same. So I have not checked this song. So I'm going to start prototyping now. So I have to link this screen with this button. So here I have to select the page. Yeah, here. Now here you need to click select here smart animate, it is good. And here I need to use I want to use custom visor. You can use this ease in, ease out, but custom is good if you are professional, so you can make it as you want. So I will do like this, little bit more curve, like this. As you can see, you have to make it as a like as it, like its animation would be really amazing. Now we can check is it working or not. Now let's check. So this is screen. Now I am going to click on close icon, check. So our animation is working now. So next step I want to use, here I want to make like animation. So I will do like this. I will duplicate the things this screen here, and here I will change the color. So check how I can do this. So I will change the color, like instead of stroke I have to use fill color. Stroke I have to remove, and then this one. So now we can check. Now I'm going to prototype. Now I'm going to select this one, and then this I am targeting it to the next screen. And here smart animation, custom, this. So we have to test it. So we can test from the first screen. Now we can test like this, check. So first we have to click close. We can check how it is. Check, it is really amazing. And now I have to check is like animation working or not. Check it, check. Again we can check. All animation are working now. Check, close, like, easy. So this is the easiest way to make an prototyping of any application. So guys, how do you like this thing? Please comment in comment box, subscribe my channel, comment if you want to learn something else, so I will give you more advanced things. I will teach you like any, because we have in prototyping we have so many advanced things also, so I will teach you on YouTube. So subscribe my channel, share my channel, share my videos. And so you, if you support me, so I will teach you so many new things, new advanced things. So thank you guys, thank you.